Hello, religion thinkers. I was going to do a video critically analyzing Trump, but by the time this video is released, Biden should be our next president. A video which suggests a more positive way forward, I think, is in order. If you do not accept that Trump's lying about a stolen election whipped up a small but ardent part of his supporters to attack the Capitol on January 6th, then you have to at least agree that A, lying is bad, and B, our country is in a very polarized and divided state right now. So, agreeing at least that we should be honest and trying to find unity, let us try to welcome Biden with a renewed sense of hope. Feeling that hope will be hard to do, however. COVID is at its most lethal stage ever. It has killed up to or over 4,400 Americans a day in recent times, and on a yearly basis, that would be another staggering 1.6 million Americans dead in 2021, if we do not take action and defeat the virus. And for further perspective, 1.6 million Americans dead would be close to 540 times those which died on the 9/11 attacks. That would be, in essence, like 10 9/11 attacks in every state of the country. What it may add up to in terms of the economic losses and damages to small business, I also shudder to think. A serious threat and danger to our country has passed. I am not sure if we're out of those dangerous waters yet. But as anyone concerned with the morality and the political integrity of our future, we have to take this COVID crisis with an almost religious seriousness at this point. A commitment to put petty party politics aside and to come together not just as responsible Americans, but caring and responsible humans who want to get back to a more normal way of life. I yearn for the day when COVID will no longer be around or not a serious threat as it has been. Who wants a nasty threat to our lives and our livelihood? Can't this be something we can agree upon, whatever religion or party we may belong to? Stay safe and tune in for the next video.